What's up YouTube, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, you're watching Get Your Sax Together, and on this week's free saxophone lesson you're going to learn how to play Andy Hamilton's classic pop sax solo from I'm Your Man by Wham. Now I must admit, I haven't done one of these Hall of Fame videos in a while. They do take a lot of time to cut up and like do all the fingerings and stuff. And I have been phrased like a pro now for quite a while. However, I've got a little bit more time now, so I thought I'd get back to these Hall of Fame classics, because who doesn't want to learn how to play these classic solos? This time we're looking at Andy Hamilton's classic pop perfection solo on I'm Your Man from 1985, which is a single by Wham! Exclamation mark. Wham! Maybe I should say. This is just awesome. If you're in the Inner Circle membership, then we had a whole 90-minute interview with the one and only Andy Hamilton, and he told us all about how this solo was constructed and what it was like in the studio and all that other good stuff. So, a little plug, go and check out the Inner Circle membership. Not only do we have fantastic guests like Andy Hamilton, Lenny Pickett, Ernie Watts, and other phenomenal players like that, but there's a load of content every month, and of course there's a fantastic community. So there's a little plug for my online Inner Circle membership. The link is in the description. But let's get cracking with the solo. The notes are going to come up, the fingerings are going to come, it's all that good stuff that you normally get with me, and then you'll have a chance for the backing track to run. Now, you might need to slow this down. There's a lot of detail in the phrasing, and actually inside my Phrase Like a Pro course, this whole thing is broken down, and I've also shared that inside the Inner Circle community this week. So you will get the exact, blow by blow, every movement of your tongue, every little growl is explained in detail inside the Inner Circle and inside Phrase Like a Pro. So it might be too fast for you. If you want to slow it down, this is how you slow down YouTube. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop computer, go to the settings cogwheel and then select playback speed, and then finally select the speed that you'd like to play it back. If you're on mobile, touch the screen, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then select playback speed, and again select the speed that you'd like to practice at. Okay, take your time until you get every little nuance and then slowly build it up. Of course, naturally, you can get the free PDF sheet music for I'm Your Man. That is done using the link that you can see there. And I hope you enjoy this pop perfection wrapped up in a beautiful 8 bars of bluesy alto saxophone. So enjoy I'm Your Man. Here we go. Once again, don't forget to go and grab your free PDF sheet music for I'm Your Man using the link that you can see there. And get straight in there and join the Inner Circle, my online membership. If you're not a member, it's the best place to be if you love saxophone. Believe me, it's absolutely awesome. If you bought me a coffee, you are the greatest saxophone player in the world. I don't care what you sound like. You bought me a coffee, therefore you are. And until next week, make sure that you practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy.